Hi everyone. Today we are again back on the channel of Bari English Academy and we are here with the batch Igniters today. And आज Igniters batch में एक बहुत ही शानदार और एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी ऑर्गेनाइज करने वाले हैं. Hi Jeet, how are you?
I'm good. I'm just here to reduce my stress.
Why are you playing the song in loud voice?
You don't know? Today's my birthday.
And the name of the activity is Situational Conversation Act. In this activity, they will be given a topic and on that situation, on that particular situation, they have to prepare a conversation. ये एग्जैक्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन इनको हेल्प करेगी इनकी वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन, बॉडी लैंग्वेज और साथ ही साथ कंटेंट प्रिपरेशन में. So without wasting further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's call our very first performers, Shubhant and Jeet. Let's clap for both of them.
Letter in the interest, we are told that matter came first. Hi Jeet, how are you?
I'm good. And you?
What are you doing here?
I'm just here to reduce my stress.
Which type of stress?
You know, as you know that our 12th result is coming.
So why are you taking stress? You know, as you are very good student in studies.
Yes, I am good, but I have another type of stress as well.
Which type of?
Leave it. I will.
Wait, let's come and sit and talk.
Okay.
So tell me, which type of stress?
I have a stress like just I'm leaving this school
Why?
because of some financial conditions.
But your father have a great job.
Yes, he had, but he don't have now.
Why?
Because of some reasons, the company has closed.
Very bad. So how you earning money?
I will earn money by doing some another jobs. There are many jobs in the world, so I will do those jobs.
But I would like to say, please don't mind. You should never leaving this school because you are good student in studies. If you are continuing your studies, so you have a great job in future.
I know that I am good, but there are like just I have too much financial conditions.
Like
My father left the job, my father's company has closed, and no one is earning the money.
oh,
So I will earn money by myself.
but you should not leaving this school because you are a good student, yaar.
I know that I am a good student, but you should try to understand about that.
No, brother, but please believe me. You don't leave school.
Okay, I will try to convince my parents. I will try to say to my parents. My parents were also saying that you should not leave the school, but now I will not leave the school.
Yes, if you are continuing school, so you have a great chance to earn more money.
Yes, but I have to study more, and it will take too much time.
Okay.
So conclusion, we should never leave the school because schools create a good environment and schools can make a good future.
Alright, thank you so much Shubhant and Jeet. That was really a remarkable and tremendous message at the end for all the audience. As they both had a conversation about the importance of education, and I guess this is really very much important. People usually ignore it in their early ages. They get the exposure of earning money and they become the breadwinner of their families. But it is very much important to know this thing that education really plays an important role. The more you educate yourself, the better opportunities you get in your future. So let's call Sohan and Uday for the next performances.
There are reasons for this. One. I don't focus on my study. For this, who is playing the music in a loud voice? I check.
Hello Sohan, how are you?
I'm good. Why are you playing the song in loud voice?
You don't know? Today's my birthday.
No, I don't know. Happy birthday.
Thank you, bhai.
Why are you playing the loud music in loud voice?
Because this day I want to this day memorable. I am enjoying my party with my friends, so that's why I play the music.
Bro, tomorrow is my exam.
so I am not preparing for my exam and not
So bro, I
focused.
don't care because today is my birthday and I am enjoying with my friends.
So please you can turn off your music.
But today is my birthday.
So you
So
can.
how can I turn off the music system? Today I have to enjoy myself.
But I am not focused on my study, bro.
So you can
I can't focus on my study.
so you can put earbuds, na?
I can study only by reading and I learn.
So brother, that's not my problem.
So please you can slow down the volume.
So can you take me a few minutes? Can I talk to my friends? Then
Yes.
So सुहान भाई जैसा आपने बताया कि tomorrow is your maths exam.
Yes.
So I can turn off the volume because your exam is an important. I can do this party another day.
Okay, bro.
So you can continue studying. And sorry for that.
Thank you, bro.
From the side of Uday, we could see that he made very less grammatical errors. But a suggestion that will be always there. Suggestion is just that you should have been a little more expressive. As the way you were just standing there on the stage, you guys were so subtle by your expressions. I mean, yes, Swan bhai, it's okay. I will stop playing the music. You should have been a little expressive by just saying, Swan bhai, okay, that's fine. Like, I'll sacrifice my birthday party because your exam is very important. Please try to understand. I have got my exam tomorrow. I really can't study just because of this high volume. So please, if it is possible, can you just postpone this party for any other day? These expressions. And how was he speaking? But tomorrow I have my exam and I can't study because of the high music. Make sure to express yourself through facial expressions. Okay? Okay. By that, we are going to call our next performance, and it's going to be the performance of Prince and Irfan Bhai. Come on, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Louder, guys.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I fetched something from your shop. I can milk and bread. Can you give me?
Yes, I have milk and bread.
So give me.
Okay. How much do you want?
Milk 1 liter and 2 packets of bread.
2 packets of bread.
Yeah.
Okay. Milk. Anything else?
No.
Only these items?
Yeah.
So, okay. Your total amount 120.
120.
Yes. And also you have any bag?
Yeah.
Because
I have.
I don't have any polythene. India is banned.
Yeah, I have bag. I have bag.
Okay, I keep it.
Yeah.
Thank you. And again you visit my shop.
Yeah. ठीक है. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
अब मुझे तो एक पैकेट ही ब्रेड लेना था. अब मेरी मम्मी मारेगी तो. Should I go back to home or shop for return my bread? अगर मैं घर जाऊँगा तो पिकिंग शॉप जाएगा. Sir, can you exchange this? Well, I only got 1 packet of bread. Please take it 1 packet of bread. वापस कर सकते हो?
No sir, it's not possible.
क्यों?
Because if I do every customer for this happens, so how can I running my shop and how can I
अगर
continue
मैं
the
घर
shop?
जाऊँगा तो पिट जाऊँगा मम्मी से.
So it's not my fault, dear. It's your fault. And also you write something and you learn, then you give me the items like
प्लीज चेंज कर लो ना.
No, I can't change it. If I possible, so please I change it, but this time. And also, can you learn what is right?
Oh, we can learn from our mistakes.
Yes.
You can say.
And no, also exchange is not allowed.
कोई बात नहीं.
And also you learn your mistake.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome.
We can learn learn from our mistakes and never will be repeat again. So thank you guys for listening.
That's about the reviews for the performance of Irfan and Prince sir. Prince sir, actually you looked like a guy who was there in a dilemma कि मुझे घर जाना चाहिए या मुझे शॉप पे जाना चाहिए. घर जाऊंगा तो पिटूंगा, शॉप पे चलता हूँ. I liked it. That was a very tiny part, but pretty more observant. I mean, I like the observation of yours, man. And more than this, the energy from your end should have been a little more. And as a shopkeeper, you were okay. Shopkeeper really doesn't react much. So both the ends, both the eights, I would say, made a little grammatical mistakes. उन grammatical mistakes पे हम काम करेंगे धीरे-धीरे throughout these performances. And on the top of it, the only thing which I would like to recommend you, थोड़ा energy. थोड़ा और ज़्यादा एनर्जी स्टेजेस के हो. दैट्स इट. थैंक यू सो मच.